So, without wasting time, let's start our topic, that is,
what's the difference between supper and dinner?
I welcome to our dear learners, on your free education point, Education Info 404. Subscribe now, so we can easily provide you free educational videos. Nowadays, we are hosting a What's the Difference series on our channel, in which we give explanation with examples of same pronounced English words. Subscribe to know more. So, without wasting time, let's start our topic, that is,
what's the difference between supper and dinner?
First we discuss about
supper. Supper is the meal in the evening. It indicates a lighter evening meal.
For example, I'll have instant noodle for supper. Second example, he was cooking rice for supper.
Always remember, supper is a lighter evening meal.
Now we discuss about
dinner. Dinner is the largest and most formal meal of the day, which today for most people is eaten in the evening.
For example, will you have dinner with me tonight? Or, she met with an old friend at a dinner party. The basic difference between supper and dinner is, supper is lighter evening meal, and dinner is the formal meal of the day. Hope you liked the video. And if you find it difficult, please repeat this lecture. Or if you have any question or problem, feel free to comment your question. If you find this video useful, please subscribe now for upcoming videos. Like the video, comment on the video. Lots of love to everyone. Thanks for watching. The end.